do you know how to make a good ackee and saltfish? If you've been to Jamaica, you've probably seen these tall trees with orange pods and black seeds everywhere. They are in almost every single person's yard, and these, my friends, are the ackee tree. They give us the ripened fruit which we like to eat with saltfish for a national dish called, you guessed it, ackee and saltfish. My mom loves this dish so much that when she comes to Jamaica, she often raids my trees, cook them, freeze them, and take hordes of them in bags on the plane back home. Much like many other Jamaicans in the diaspora. But guess what? Many budding Jamaican chefs don't know how to cook a good ackee, and you may be that person as well, as in a foreigner. But no fret, I have got a triple treat for you guys. I'm not only gonna show you how to make ackee and saltfish, but an ackee and bacon frittata and a vegan ackee dip that you can use for chips, pizzas, sandwiches. Oh, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe so that you can spread the love and get notifications for when the other 2 boss recipes drop. All right, you don't want to miss it. Promise me. To prep fresh ackee, we simply remove the fruit from the leathery pods. Then we twist off the black seeds, remove the orange membranes, and cook. Add pimento seeds to the water bath to extract the essential oils. Then when the ackee is cooked in the water, it will infuse each ackee with a yummy, warm, spicy flavor. We must remove the pimento seeds from our water bath when we're finished because it will become a nuisance when we're eating our ackee. No one wants to bite on pimento seeds, right? There are 2 types of ackee textures. One that cooks super fast and gets tender really quickly, and the other that is a bit harder and takes a while to tenderize. So, you should aim for an ackee that is fork tender and supple to touch. It should remain whole, yet moderately mashable. Browning the scallions is an old wives' technique that gives a smoky, country-style flavor and flair to your final dish. It will be super yummy and you won't regret it. Guys, you must do this step for the most memorable ackee and saltfish.
Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, no, nothing we could ever do but let it flow.
Are you ready for some mukbang? I'm gonna taste my ackee and saltfish. Guys, this is not scrambled eggs. No. This is another different league, another plane, another universe. You know, like in The Flash. Ackee is just ackee, okay? You know what? I'm just gonna grab it. It's salty, the scotch bonnet pepper gives it that zing, and then the saltfish, man. Oh, and the charred onions. The charred onions. I got that tip from my uncle, as I said before. Oh, woo-hoo! The charred onions just burst in my mouth, and it really does make you feel like eating by the riverside in country. I know I said that a lot, but that's really, Caribbean food is just, it just gives you that whole vibe. Guys, I realized that not a lot of foreigners try the Ackee recipes I've seen online. You guys are missing out big time. This is one of the top, I would say one of the top, at least 20 dishes you must try before you die. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take Ackee and seafood differently. If you want to level up your Ackee game, check out the Ackee and bacon frittata recipe dropping next. You won't want to miss, guys. See you again. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. I'm so silly.